store another bit. So I don't think it's going to let me get these bits here. But this is definitely on land that I own. And this is definitely something you can do in real life. Spider truck does whatever a spider truck can. I see this from the cab view. Yeah, totally safe. No problems here. Oh, we can grab these little bits here too. Okay. Oh, another bit here. Grab this.